Okay, assignment or classworks number 16. So we have two problems. The first is the question is to derive the unit hydrograph given the hydrograph, the direct runoff hydrograph and rainfall. So this is hydrograph for the 393 square kilometer of catchment. So we get the about 8 time step. Each time step is 6 hours, and given the hydrographs, okay, and this is excess rainfall is 5 centimeter for the first 6 hours and 15 centimeter for the second 6 hours. Calculate the unit hydrograph. Assume the constant bed flow is 100 cubic meter per second and check total depth of hydrographs. Okay, we can work on the top. This is given data is mean. The first is area of the catchment. We bring out information, and we have the excess rainfall is P1 is only have two. P2 is okay. That is a 40 I is a 6 hour. For each time step is 6 hours, and Q bed flow is the 100 meter per second. So the first we have to check the number of the QU. Is equal to n subtract m plus 1. So we can use this to estimate number of QU, and the next we can find the U from so this, for example, we can start from U1 is equal to Q1 divided by P1. Okay, but for this case we have to subtract the P1 with the base flow. Okay, for example, if we use this for the direct runoff, we have to subtract the base flow and divided by P1, okay, to estimate U1. And the next we can use the U2, Q2, and we do this. The next step we can do to estimate the U2. You make sure that Q2 is the subtract the base flow, okay, and substitute the P2 and U2 from the previous example. So we have to work until we got the total number of U, okay, and later on we have to check summation of U is equal to, convert to the depth, it should be 1 centimeter. Okay, that is the first problem. And for the second problems, given the above solution, above hydrograph from U1 to a number to what we got now is the U1, U2, U3, U4 until U something. And given the new rainfall, excess rainfall is mean 4, 8, 6 for the 6 hour time step. Okay, we have to for new storm. Okay, and we calculate the direct runoff hydrographs and check the depth. Okay, we have to calculate the runoff and check the depth and estimate the stream flow to plus base flow to the direct runoff to get the stream flow. Okay, so you can the first we have to identify what is the number of the Q first. Q is equal to n plus m subtract 1. So we can write the from the number of Q based on this 1, 2, 3, 4 until the number of n. Okay, and substitute this one is from P1 U1. Okay, this from P2 P1 U2 P2 U1 or something. Make a match between the U and P. And this is a P1 U3 P3 U2, and this is P3 U1. In this case we don't okay, we have P3. Okay, and next win P1 U4. We can say that the last one is we have to add P1 P4 U1, but in this case we don't have P4, so this term is cancelled. Okay, so we just have only three term for each the Q. Okay.